Welcome back to Budget Boss. My name is Gustavo, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can quickly make a beef barbacoa crunch wrap that we made out of a chuck roast. It's absolutely delicious, and in case you didn't know,
it's about to go down.
just as a refresher, we did make a chuck roast beef barbacoa a few weeks back. I showed you guys the process of seasoning it up, get it on the smoker, make sure it has that good bark to it, and then we placed it in an aluminum pan, added some beef broth as well as beef tallow, wrapped it up, placed it back onto the smoker until it was probe tender, which means internally it was 200 degrees. We pull it out, it's able to shred apart nice and easy. We call that tenderism. And then I packed them up and saved them for later. Alright, so to get this crunch wrap going, we're going to start with one flour tortilla. The bigger the tortilla, the better. We're going to place a layer of refried beans on the bottom of it, just the size of a tostada. So we'll place a tostada right on top of those beans, and then we're going to reheat our barbacoa. So I'm going to butter up the griddle. We'll get it started. Today I'm using the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. I'm going to take my beef barbacoa, I'm going to place it on the griddle, and then I'm going to add some beef broth on it so that way it rehydrates. We don't want to char and overcook this beef barbacoa. We really just want it nice and warmed up. Once it's warmed up, we'll place it off to the side, and then I'm going to grab a handful and I'll place it right on top of that tostada. We really want to load it up. I'm going to take my Monterey Jack cheese as well as my mild cheddar cheese. Reminder, we shredded up 8 ounces of mild cheddar and 8 ounces of Monterey Jack earlier. I'm going to take my tortilla and I'm going to start folding it over like you see on the screen here. We're already halfway done, guys. This is going to be incredibly quick, under 3 minutes, but something that you guys can take for a quick lunch, dinner. I'm going to place the crunch wrap on top of the ultimate griddle until both sides have a nice browning on it. We don't want to burn it, so make sure you just watch how long it takes for that to cook. Once that's done cooking, we're going to give it a slice right down the middle. And then from there, you can add your chipotle sauce, sour cream, salsa, shredded lettuce, whatever you like. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and you hit that notification bell. This was another episode of Budget Boss.